Give me the stupid kill! Yes!
Direct hit. Betrayed.
Betrayed, are you kidding me?
Shot the base.
Hey yo, it's your boy KDT, and today we're back with another video. Of course, this is what we always do. But today we are going to play some Grifball, and the reason why is because, for one, Castle Wars is gone, and okay, I have no more Rex. Castle Wars is gone, so this is the most similar thing to Castle Wars, and I guess I don't know what you guys think. And I hit a what is it? Killpocalypse?
Killing spree. Kill-tacular. Great. Good work with the hammer. Atrocity. Killman. Kill-tastrophe. Extermination. Kill-pocalypse.
That's the first time I've ever hit a Killpocalypse. So maybe we can hit one in this video, maybe not. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna do two of these games because I don't know. It just takes a lot of time and it takes too much time to edit. So I mean, I would, and let me know if you want me to in the comments below. If you want me to do 2 games for every video, I mean, I can do that. I don't like doing it as much. I mean, it's nice to have a chance for a win, but if I win, I win. If I lose, I lose. That's just how it's gonna go.
Grifball.
And also, they have made some really cool new maps. I've never seen these maps. I mean, they're the same thing, like Jake said to me a while back, but still, I mean, it's actually kind of cool. So I'm not going in right away. I'm gonna let them have their fun. So let's get right. Okay, yep. Let's get right into it. Charge! Hello, everyone. Oh, no, no! Kill them!
We have the ball.
Hey, I got 1 kill before I died, so that's nice. That was stupid, you know. I don't entirely agree with all the way the hammer works in this game. Kill him! Betrayed! Really? Come on, guys, you gonna do that to me? Yeah, that's what you get. They have the ball, 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 they have the ball. At least I got him. I mean, I'll take it. As long as I get him, I'm happy.
Kill. You have the ball.
Ah, help me, guys! Distraction. No! No! I got halfway across.
Enemy has the ball.
Sorry, got something in my eye for a second there. Ow. That actually kind of hurts. That was mine! Okay, I don't think I'm gonna get... Yeah, they scored.
Ball incoming. Betrayed.
Okay.
New ball spawn. Enemy has the ball. Close.
Got 1. I don't know where the ball is, but I'm just going for it. Oh, there it is. He always looks like he's on my team.
Watch out for the hammer.
Go away, Rocket Puppet. Get out of here. Get out of my clip. Clill.
I'm on your team.
We have the ball.
Where'd the ball go? Where'd the ball go? Defend! Defend!
The ball.
That was my kill! 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 That was my kill!
Firing on red yard.
Okay, this isn't as fun as Castle Rush! Really? You're just gonna camp the spawn points?
Lost one to their hammer. Great.
What? He got in the way!
Same team.
Yeah, that's just how that's gonna work out. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Where? I can't talk.
The ball. Great.
Betrayed! Come on, guys! Just play as a
We have the
team!
ball. Great.
Betrayed again! I'm about to kick all these guys. This is one thing I don't like about this game that I wish they would fix. Did I just betray someone? Probably for the better because he betrayed me first, so.
Enemy has the ball. Great.
Again! Come on, man! Mr. Opportunist? He keeps betraying me. He's betrayed me like at least 2 times I've seen.
Way to go.
Way to go! Is he just trying to steal kills from me?
Melee. Hit one.
Stop trying to kill me!
Back is.
Woo! Didn't see that one coming, did you?
Enemy has the ball.
I didn't see that one coming. Why are they using the swords? That's like the worst thing they could do.
Great.
Okay, I'm
Enemy
sorry.
has the ball.
I didn't realize you killed that guy.
Struck down by. We have the ball.
Ah!
Great.
Stop betraying me, Mr. Opportunist! I really wanted to kick that guy. He's getting on my nerves.
You almost took your head off.
Come on, stop him! I'm gonna get it back out of that. Where'd he throw it?
Enemy
Did he
has
throw
the
it?
ball.
He threw it.
Top of the hammer.
You're not getting past me, bro. Where'd the ball go? Where'd the ball go?
have the ball.
Where'd the ball go? No! I was trying to find the ball!
Enemy has the ball.
Enemy has the ball. I'm gonna sneak up on you.
Enemy has the
Enemy
ball.
sword. Stay back.
Positive hit. We have the ball.
No, I tried to grab it. That would have been the first time I ever held the ball. Come on, guys,
We
grab
have
it.
the ball.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I did not mean to betray you. Please don't kick me. Please don't kick me. Please don't kick me. Please don't. Thank you.
Solid kill.
Please.
Watch the sword.
Triple kill.
Kill.
I got a triple kill, guys. Probably should play instead of clap. Yeah. Enemy has the ball. Enemy, where's the ball? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? I want the ball.
That's what she said.
I want the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball.
We have the ball.
No, I want the ball. I want the ball. I want the ball. I want the ball. Ah! Okay, that was too far
Enemy
away.
has the ball.
Can I back up, please? Please back up. Please back up.
Target him.
That's annoying. That's annoying. Ah!
Great.
Dude, I saw him! He's just camping. He's just camping. Is he camping? He's up here. He's up here. Where'd he go? 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 I'm looking for him. Hammer!
Hammer time. Go with the flow. It is said if you can't rule this, then you probably are dead. So wave your hands in the air. Bust a few moves. Run your fingers through your hair. This is it. For a winner, dance to this, and you're gonna get there to move.
Ah! No, I almost had it!
Blue yard.
I gotta be able to move faster. I used to have my sensitivity. What? That was a kill! It was red! It was red! It was a... That was a kill! That was such a kill! Just give me the stupid kill! Yes!
Direct hit. Betrayed.
Betrayed! Are you kidding me? I didn't even look at that!
New ball on.
Get out of here!
First touch.
First touch! That's right, boy! That's right! This is my ball! This is my ball! Stay away from me! No! I'm trying to
Enemy
hit!
has has the ball.
Ah, man, I'm sorry. I'm getting too high for this. I just want the ball. I just want the ball. Give me the stupid
We have the
ball.
ball.
Wasn't paying attention to the guy on my right. That's just how it goes.
Enemy has the ball.
Okay, that should have been my kill, you know? Don't you agree? Okay, I did hit way too early on that.
We have the ball.
Get back.
Okay. Don't you hate it when it's red and clearly you hit them?
Score. Gain the lead. Ball.
Get out of here!
New ball spawn. We have the ball.
Okay, wasn't paying attention to that guy.
Enemy standing.
I haven't checked my
Score. Ball incoming. Beats.
triple. Oh, ha!
Double kill.
I was about to say triple kill, but no.
New ball spawn.
Close.
We have the ball.
That should have been mine. I feel like that should have been mine.
This hammer.
I tried to block it from you, but you know, you just. Okay, I tried. Why did I get gold defense? That's their goal.
Bring up red yard.
Shouldn't that be a double kill? That was.
Double kill. Enemy has the ball.
Don't let him.
Did I get him? I didn't see that.
Enemy has the
I didn't
ball.
see if I got him, but I know.
Great.
Stop
We
letting
have
me
the
betray you. I did not mean to betray you. I'm so sorry. This is like the worst game for this. Betrayals all over the place. Okay, well, I saw him spawn in right as I got there, so that was my bad.
Teammate score.
Yes!
Ball incoming.
My teammates are actually doing good for once.
Quite unfortunate.
Okay, yeah, but I'm not. I'm not doing good. No, that I'm just a distraction, you
New
know.
ball spawn. We have the ball. Teammate score. Game over.
Yeah, victory! Yes! So yeah, that was Grifball. I might do this again if it's well liked. But anyway, thank you for watching. That was actually pretty fun. I will admit, 33 kills, not bad. That's probably the best I do in any game. That's all for my video. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell next to it so you get notified of whenever I have a new video. And yeah, that pretty much sums up the video. Anyway, signing out.
Touch this. Break it down.